What's going on YouTube? This your boy Corey T, and I just had to come on here with a quick little update. I got a video. Start off video dropping Sunday, as some of you guys have seen. It will be basically it'll be the part one of how I do my stock research. Very simple information, nothing you probably haven't already heard me say, or maybe it might be a little extra. But it's all good information. It's all stuff you need to know when you're getting started with stocks and CashApp and whatever other stock or whatever platforms you decide to use. It's a good little, format to kind of hit. So be on the lookout for that video. It is dropping Sunday. With that being said, let's get into today's video. I come today to talk about what's going on. Right now I'm at 3,139 and 39 cents. I lost $148 today. And everything else, well, I still got a $200 gain, whatever. It was more than that yesterday. But like I said, man, I'm not always going to come on here where I'm making all this money and showing you guys that I'm making. No. We lose money too. So humble yourself, please. But with that being said, like I tell you guys, it's all about patience. It's all about time. So, with that being said, hang in there. So check it out. So, I put the percentages on just to show you. I only had one stock that shot up today, which was Thread Up, and it didn't really shoot up. It went up by a little bit, 3%, and I only had $7 in that. That was just me tossing money here and there. But the rest of my stocks are, as you see, dropping. They are low. Then you go down to the ones I'm following. You only got two. You got Chipotle and General Electric that's still up, and the rest of the ones that I follow drop significantly. Who knows? I'm trying to figure out what's going on in the world, because when I see this, it lets me know something is about to erupt, something about to happen. So with that being said, y'all be on the lookout for the news. I don't know what's going to happen, but I feel like when it's like a situation like this, and it's not even like the stock market crashing, but man, the last time I seen the numbers like this, the stock market was crashing. So with that being said, it was, it was higher percentages, but every stock has dropped that I follow significantly, and all these stocks are different categories. So it had me wondering that something might be on the rise of happening, and don't be too shocked. Another thing too is, being that everything is down, I always said the golden rule is buy low, sell high. So I did end up investing into different things. The first thing I invested in was Loyalty Ventures, and the second was Ideonomic. Let me talk about Ideonomic because it'll be real quick. I added another $25 in it. I'm gonna get approximately 227 shares at 11 cents a share. So you asked me, Corey, why did you invest if Idea is already flatlining? Well, guys, Idea is at the limit of their 52-week low. I want to try something new. I never bought in when the stock was at a 52-week low. That's first thing I want to hit on. That's the first thing I want to hit on. Second off, if it's at its 52-week low, I don't know where in the 52-week mark this is, so I can't say that it's week 52 and this is where it's supposed to drop. No, I don't know where it is, but the fact that it is at 11 cents right now only leads me to believe, okay, if this is what they predict the lowest to be, let me see how accurate, how close, which direction is it really going to go? Because at the end of the day, it closed at 4 p.m. on Google, 4:30, whatever, at 11 cents. And it's still at 11 cents. It shot up back to 12. It went down to right here, still at 11 cents. So it's been flat all day until it got to whatever. So being that it's at the 52-week low of 11 cents, tomorrow, my prediction, especially on Cash App here, it'll be flat all the way through, and it might do another peak like such. Ideonomics, to me, honestly, guys, the research that I've been doing, I don't know what's telling me to have faith in this company. I really don't know. And even if I do lose the money, it's only $175. Like I always tell you guys, don't put in more than you are willing to lose. Because at the end of the day, if this money just disappeared, Corey, are you hurting about your 175? I'm gonna be mad. But no, I'm gonna take away what it is. Because at the end of the day, like I told the group chat, I said, man, this is a very high risk. I'm risking it. But I'm a gambler, so I'm not a real gambler, but I like to think that I'm a gambler. But in this case, I am gambling with my money because I don't know what's going to happen. I literally don't know what's going to happen. But being that it's at the bottom, come on, you can only but go up. But once again, you hold that 52-week high and low with a grain of salt, because tomorrow it could probably go down to 9 or 10 or whatever. It could go below that. So we're going to hang in there, and I'm going to report back to you guys on what it does. And I still think they're going to do a stock reverse split, whatever you want to call it. I still think that's going to come. But I still probably have more shares. So when they do it, I'll have some on the back end. All right, what we got? Going back to the other stock that I also invested in. Let me tell you, this was dropped in the group, in the Discord, and somebody said, what about this stock right here? What y'all think about this? So I went to it. I started checking it out. I was like, wait a minute, hold up. You might be on to something. So I end up putting 150 in, getting approximate shares, 258, just to test the water. I bet y'all like, damn, well, you just toss some money here, toss some money there. Actually, no, I kind of been eyeing it, engaging it in the sense of where to put the money. But check it out. So this particular stock is down 63%. Corey, why are you investing while it's 63% down? What goes down must come up. I know it's supposed to be the opposite, but this is the stock market we're talking about. All right, so check it out. Go to all, right? This stock came out in 2021. It was at $41. Drop all the way down. It got to a low point of 71 cents. It went up to $2 and some change. Then it went down to 1, still coasting at 1. And it still was going down. Then it did a big drop today, because it was still at 158 this morning, and it dropped all the way down to 55 cents. This little trend right here from 51 cent to 56 cent, I'm going to be honest, is what made me pull the trigger on putting in what I did. Let me explain. Because first off, the whole market is dropping right now, right? Second off, this particular stock has been dropping for the past, I'm not even care about the year because it is what it is, but the past month, it was at 175, went up to $2, and then from $2 it just started dropping. And then it had a major drop today at 12 p.m. noon, went straight down to 52 cents. What's going on there? Guys, listen. I'm no psychic, but it went from 47 all the way back up to 58. Then let's check it out, guys. So it closed at 58 cents at 4 o'clock, and now it's at 60 at the market. And with the 52-week high, 52-week high, $20, and 52-week low, 45 cents. So it still got room to drop, guys. That's why I only did the amount that I did, because even if it drops, I'm gonna still catch it on the back end, because I'm still gonna be watching this. And this, the fact that I added it to the catalog. I'll tell you guys to kind of watch the stock for a week or two. But in this particular case, I don't want to miss that change just in case it decides to keep going up from the 58. Because once again, it was at, see, that's funny. Yahoo ain't showing it, but it was at 47. Yahoo showing 52. Oh, they showing 48 though. That's see, you got to balance between the two. it'll kind of get you. It kind of mess you up. But I'm gonna use Cash App number. It was 47, and now it's all the way at 60. Well, not 60. It's all the way at 58. So from 47 all the way to 58, you kind of you could have made some money right there. And this is why I say my method is somewhat a bit unorthodox, because you looking at it like, well, it went down and your buying wise down, but of course it's extremely down. So why would you invest when it's extremely down? It's just one of them things, man. I'm the type of person to say, hey, if you don't take that chance, you would never know. And also, it's at a low point. So yeah. The market cap is 14 million. That's a little low, but I mean, look at the price. It's a penny stock. Hey, Corey T, why you always risking money on these little penny stocks? Why you always going to the smaller stocks like that's 50 cent, 40 cent, 80 cent? Well, me personally, I said this before, I like to have more shares from a particular stock. I don't want to put in $100 for one share in a company. In reality, I could put in $100 and get 100 shares. That's how I just rock out. But that's just something that I kind of look at. What else we got? So with that being said, I literally bought it just to watch it. I didn't have to buy it to watch it, but I don't want to miss it just in case it does go up. That's what I want to leave you guys with. So with that being said, the market is dropping. It is dropping. However, it could turn around tomorrow, or it could continue to drop. By the time you see this video, it'll probably be 9, 10 o'clock, maybe 10 o'clock. But y'all, it's dropping. And then I want to show you guys this too. Check it out. You got, look at the diagram of Bitcoin and look at my diagram of stocks. I'm gonna start doing that more often, because I feel like my Bitcoin and stocks diagram they kind of look like each other. Almost a split image of each other in a sense. It could be the little brother, big sister, whatever. But if you look at it, they both dropped in a somewhat the same direction. When Bitcoin is doing good, it seems like the stock market doing good. When the stock market doing good, it seems like Bitcoin is doing good. So that's just something that I picked up on. So y'all peep game now. Peep game. What else we got? And I think that's what I'm gonna leave y'all with. So I'm locked in with Ideanomics, $25. Then I'm locked in with the other one, just a hundo and some change. And we'll see what it's gonna do. Like I said, tomorrow it's up in the air. Probably lose a little bit more money than next week could come around. And hopefully we back on. So with that being said, man, I just had to come to you guys, update you on the portfolio. Once again, watch out for the video on Sunday. That's the part 1 of how I do my research. And then I'll drop a part 2, and it'll kind of get more in depth, with other things. So with that being said, this is Corey T. Yeah, let's go.